Today I'm going to teach you how to change to landscape in Adobe Express. This is particularly useful when you need to repurpose your design for different platforms or presentations. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, log into your account. Take a moment to ensure you're fully signed in before moving forward, as this will give you access to all your projects and tools. After logging in, you'll see your workspace. Navigate to recent files where you'll find all your previous projects. Click on the project you want to change to landscape. This will open your design in the editor, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments. Now look at the top toolbar of the Adobe Express interface. You'll need to navigate to the resize option and click it. This is where you'll control the dimensions of your project and switch it from portrait to landscape orientation. Here's something important to note. In order to resize your existing project, you must upgrade to Adobe Express Premium. This feature isn't available in the free version, so if you see a prompt to upgrade, that's perfectly normal. Adobe Express Premium unlocks this functionality along with many other advanced features. Once you have access to the resize feature, look at the left panel. You'll see fields for width and height. Navigate to the width field and type 1920. Then move to the height field and type 1080. These dimensions will give you a standard landscape format that's perfect for most uses. After entering your dimensions, click Resize in the bottom left of the page. Adobe Express will then process your request and adjust your project to the new landscape orientation. Give it a moment to complete the transformation, as it needs to reformat all your design elements to fit the new dimensions properly. Alternatively, if you're creating a new blank project from scratch, the process is slightly different but just as straightforward. Click Start New Design, which you'll typically find on your main dashboard. Then select Custom Size from the options presented. Navigate to the width field and type 1920. Then for height, type 1080, just as you did before. Once you've entered these dimensions, click Create New File. Adobe Express will generate a new blank canvas in landscape orientation, ready for you to start designing. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your project to landscape in Adobe Express, whether by resizing an existing project or creating a new one with landscape dimensions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.